So I have a laptop. It is a, focus, MSI GE 75. And yesterday, I went to plug it in and the plug went right inside and it wouldn't connect, so it wouldn't charge. And so I thought that my computer died. Well, today I'm trying to figure out what's wrong with it, and I did. So first thing I did was flipped it over, removed all the screws, including the factory seal screw, because that was the last one I found. Gently pry the back off. And this kept slipping inside when I was trying to plug the power cord in. And I discovered all that was holding that plug into place. Oh, you're not going to focus at all, are you? All that was holding that plug into place is two very thin pieces of plastic. And that back one broke off, so the plug kept pushing in to the computer. See that? It just snapped right there. So right now, I put that piece back in place. I just I used super glue just temporarily to put it back in place. And then I'm going to fill that cavity with JB Weld, or any other epoxy would probably work, but I figured JB Weld would be the best. And then I'm going to wrap this little bit in saran wrap, sink it into the epoxy, and let it cure. Now, one thing that I did not mention was this is the hinge for the monitor. And this slips on top. It sits on top of this piece right here. So you remove the screws. There's 3 of them. I'll show you the other side. You remove the screws, and then you gently open up the lid to get that out of the way. And then when this closes, let's see if I can do this one-handed. That's the way it sits, is like that. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'll show you what it looks like afterward. This is the cheapest laptop fix ever. So that's everything in place. I screwed the hinge back down just temporarily until this sets. There was a little bit of oozing. It's not gonna, there it is. There was a little bit of oozing out the front. So I tried to clean that up as best I could with Q-tips. But yeah, I just mixed up the epoxy with some toothpicks, put it in there, tried to make sure I didn't gunk it all the way up. Use some Q-tips to wipe off any excess. And we'll see how it turns out after it's cured and I take the plastic off. Now, that's what we have. It is a perfectly formed place for this to sit in, and this fits snug. This right here fits snugly in there. So now I'm going to put it all back together and see if I can get it to charge like it should. Well, would you look at that? It's charging. So thank you for watching the video. If you watched it, I hope it helped. And if you want, like it, subscribe to my channel for some more random whatever pops in my head videos, and I hope you have a great day.